Is it too much to ask for? Yeah. Can I put
Hey, what's up guys? Kevin here again with another video. I hope whenever you're watching this, your day is going great, if not amazing. Today's video is going to be more of a tutorial than a gaming related video. And I'll just be giving you quick step-by-step instruction on how to link your YouTube video outro. I feel that there's a lot of new YouTubers coming out now, so I feel like this video will be really beneficial for them. So what you want to do first once you're on your YouTube page is you want to press on your profile picture and go down to YouTube Studio Beta. And from this page, you're going to go down to the bottom left corner of your screen and press on Creator Studio Classic and skip. Okay, Creator Studio Classic will give you this dashboard of like a really simple layout of your profile to where you have your videos and your analytics. Okay, so of your videos, whichever video you want your outro to be linked, you're going to press on that video. So I'm going to press on this video here because I have an outro but no link, so I'm just going to do that right now. Press on your video. And on this page, it'll show you the video you chose and a couple options right above it. So of these options, you're going to press on end screen, right over here, end screen. And it'll take you to this page. So depending on where you want your links to pop up or wherever your outro template is, you're just going to adjust the bar on the timeline right below the video to wherever you want your links to pop up. So my outro comes about right around here. Right there, see, I have no links, so I'm gonna add that now. So you're gonna press on add element on the right side of the video, add element, and it'll give you a drop down list of a couple options. So you have video or playlist, you have subscribe, channel, or you can link another website on your YouTube video outro. So what I want to do, I want to link my previous video and my profile picture so that when people click on it, it'll bring them right directly to my channel. So I'm gonna press on create video or playlist. And I'll give you another couple options here. Most recent upload, best reviewer, choose a video or playlist. So I want my most recent upload to be linked. So I'm going to press on that. And I'll give you this frame. So since I have a template, I can just kind of like fit the frame within my template so it looks nice and professional. Okay, just around there is perfect. And you're going to press on save. Once it's saved, you're going to add another element. And I want my profile to also be linked as well. I'm going to press on create, and it'll bring about my profile picture. So I'm just going to fit it within this circle frame here, just like that. Perfect. Okay, so once you're done, once you have everything linked wherever you want it to be, you're going to press on save. And once you see all changes are saved, you should be good to go. So just to make sure, I'm going to go back to my channel. I'm going to go back to my channel real quick. And I'm going to press on the video I just edited.
is it too
And my YouTube video, my outro should be linked. Just like that. So whenever I press on it, it'll take me directly to my channel. Boom. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like, comment down below any questions, concerns you may have, subscribe, turn on the notifications. That really helped me out a lot. And I appreciate all the support. Enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you. Peace.